Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional logo in Canva, step by step. Whether it's for your business, YouTube channel, or brand, you don't need to be a designer. Just follow along and you'll have a custom logo in minutes. Start by going to Canva and clicking Create a Design. Then choose Logo. This opens a square canvas that's perfect for logos, especially for profile pictures or branding. Canva gives you hundreds of ready-made logo templates. Search something like tech, beauty, or minimalist, depending on your brand vibe. You can either pick a template to edit or start completely from scratch. Click on the text to change the name of your brand or channel. You can also try different fonts to match your style: modern, elegant, bold, or handwritten. Make sure your logo text is clear and readable. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for icons that represent your brand, like a camera, pen, star, or crown. Replace the default logo icon with one that fits your identity. Match your logo colors with your brand colors. Click on any element to change its color. Keep it simple. Usually, 1 to 2 colors works best. Make sure everything is balanced. Use Canva's guidelines to center your elements and give enough space around your text and icon. If you're using Canva Pro, you can download your logo with a transparent background. Perfect for websites, watermarks, or video overlays. Just choose PNG, then turn on transparent background before downloading. And that's it. Congrats! You just made your own logo in Canva. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what kind of logo you made, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva design tips. See you in the next one.